I'm back here. We're going to get going here now on a little bit more intense stuff. And what we're going to focus on next is creating our pages. Okay, and those are the main pages that you'll find in this, they call it the parent section of your website, so the biggest part. And then I'll show you how to create this menu up on top with all your links. Now the first one that I want to do is I want to just talk about my school. So I'm going to go onto the dashboard, so I'm logged into my site. And I click select new, and I want to go down to page, and I select it. And as from the training, you'll see here is my site. Here's my page, I should say. So I'm going to do my first one called my school, and this one basically is going to describe my school, tell a little bit about, but I can put any information here, parents committee. I can put the cafeteria menu, sports programs, anything to do with the school that you want to highlight. This is a great place. You'd make pages with it. You make a page. So I'm calling mine my school. I want to bring in a picture because I want to show my school. So I'm going to simply hit insert, and I am going to go into my computer. So I will select the file again. Here's my computer. I want to upload a picture. This one's pretty big. Let me upload this one. Okay, it's just a photo of some people having some fun. Wait till it crunches. Here it is. And then what I want to do is I want to insert this into post. And again, I can modify the size of it as well and its orientation. This one I'm just going to put on the side. I can always edit this picture by selecting it and clicking on the little edit image. And then it brings me back into it, so I can make it bigger or smaller. So if I want to make it bigger, for example, I'd go into the advanced setting and I'd increase its size. I can put a border around it if I want to, etc. Okay, I'm not going to do that for today, so I'm simply going to just put it on this side here. And then I'm going to put welcome to my school. Okay, and on and on and on, and I can go with information pertaining to my school. Once I've done that, so I've added the information I want, again I can put links in there, I can put more pictures, I can put a video in here if I want. Anything that's digital media I can add to these pages. But I'm just going to keep it easy today for the sake of the training, and now I'm going to hit publish. So now I've created one of my pages called My School, and I've published it. If we have a look at it, we'll see it's just very basic. So this is what it would look like online. And as you can see, the template applies to it. Very simple. Right? It's nothing too complicated. I'm sure that you can do much better than that, but for the sake of training, we'll keep it simple. Now, I'm going to go back. I want to create one other page. So again, I'm going to do new and then page. I've saved this one, so don't worry, it's still in my inventory. I'll show you where they all appear in a minute. And I'm going to put my for my cafeteria. Again, I'm going to simply insert my menu, and that's all I'll do for this page. So I will have my menu on my desktop in a folder called website. I hit choose, and now it's uploading. And this is actually a picture, but I could upload a PDF. I could upload a document if I wanted. I can upload pretty much anything as long as it's in digital format. Here's a little picture, which I will insert into post, just so we have a little pictorial of the student. And you know what? I'm going to put this right in the center. I'm going to orient it to the center, and then I'm going to put my menu underneath, which I will upload from my computer. I'm going to select the file again. I think it's in my downloads. We'll select. You can see it's a JPEG. I'll hit choose. So even JPEGs, and those are easy to convert from your Word. Just save it as a JPEG instead of a Word file. JPEGs you cannot alter. And, Your user can only look at it, so they can't change anything and try to mess you up with your menus. So again, try this again. I think it's pretty big. Choose, okay, 100% uploaded. You'll have to be patient. As you can see, I'm not very patient with larger files like JPEGs. So there's my menu. I can see it, which is great. I want to put it directly under, so I will align it to the center, and then I will hit Insert into Post. So here's my menu underneath. You can see that it's there. If I want it to be bigger again, I can go and edit the photo itself. So here's my menu. And then I'm just going to put a little message at the end. I'm going to say good eats, and I want to center this into the center of the page, so I will just simply align to the center. Now you can see some stuff is missing here. I should have another row of stuff. If I just click on this little box here, now I can get my other tools, and I want to make this good eats a little bit bigger, so I'm going to make it a header 2, and you can see that it gets big on its own. Then I don't have to go through the whole editing process. So there's my calf. I like it. I'm going to hit publish. Okay, so now we've created 2 pages. My school and my calf are 2 pages that I want to have on the parent page. So once this is published, again, sometimes you have to re-click things. Patience is always required. I'll just go and have a view of this page to make sure that it works well. And there's my calf. Here's my PDF. If I select it, it should blow it up. There we go. So I can see it a little bit better. I can go back and good eats. Okay, nice little page. Now, I have 2 pages I want to add to this menu up at the top.